Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Abraca Andrew, aka Wafellow, aka Spider-Man, and today I'm gonna stick my head in a cage with this snake and try to escape a straitjacket and handcuffs. Here we go. This is how the escape challenge is going to work. I will be put into a straitjacket. Once I am secure inside the jacket, one of the buckles on the back will be handcuffed to a chain which will be weighed down by this circular stone. My head will then be put into a cage with my California king snake, Striker. To escape all the restraints, I will have to free my arms from the straitjacket, pick the handcuffs behind my back with a paper clip, then release myself completely. I will then have to figure out a way to remove the snake from the cage. My goal is to escape, take out the snake, then remove my head, all while remaining very still so as to not get bitten. This will definitely be a challenge. Slowly.
Raise your hand.
in there.
That's what I was fixing to say.
Good job.
It's amazing that you got that snake back in that cage like that.
My eyes hurt. Do they look weird at all?
You got a goggle imprint on your face.
Eyes hurt. My leg hurt. I think my right foot fell asleep. Yeah, they were. Thank you for not biting me. He didn't even care. That was nice.
Very still the entire
I was
time.
trying to be extremely still. And once I didn't think about this beforehand, but my face was so close to the front of the glass. I was breathing and like fogging that up, and I was breathing onto him. So I was trying not to breathe onto him either, or shake it at all. Oh, and I got him back in the cage.
And you got him back in the cage. I didn't see how you were going to do that.
Me neither, to be honest. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I do other types of escapes. I've done a handcuff escape where my feet were in the cage with a snake. I've done an underwater blindfolded straitjacket escape. I do magic, I do juggling, I do challenges, I do reviews, I do reactions. So please make sure to subscribe if you want to see any of that. This was a fun challenge. Number one, obviously because there was a snake on my head and face crawling around, and that's pretty distracting and can be scary. But also just the position that I was in. I was hunkered down, my legs were hurting, my eyes were hurting, trying to undo the straitjacket in a way that I've never had to do that before and pick handcuffs behind my back. Definitely a challenge, so again, thank you so much for watching. Carpe diem, vita es bono, go have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.